How to fix Messenger, something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger, something went wrong on Android phone. First go to settings and then apps, and now click apps again and then go to Messenger. Now just click data, click storage and then clear cache, this one here, clear it and try again and your problem will be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just clear storage, clear data, click on it and click OK and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.